Alright, Facebook. I'm doing all of my Rubik's Cube tricks except one. The bag solve. I'm doing it all in one video. So let's get started. Alright, we're going to do...
Technically, this is take number 322.
Okay, yeah. So we're going to do the toss-up solve first. Alright, here we go. We're going to toss it in the air. Here we go. One solve. The instant solve. Or the slow-mo solve.
Take me to church, I worship like a dog.
Here we go. Alright. The imagination solve.
Take me to church.
Alright. Cube's at 20 moves. Imagine the cube moving from 20 moves to 15. 15 to 10. 10 moves to 2 moves to solved. Alright. The one everybody says is the best. That's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to go one-handed behind the back. It's a behind the back solve. Here we go. I'm going to go one-handed behind the back. Oh well. Let's try again. Hey, it didn't break. Look. Solved. Solved. Alright, let's try that again because that was like an epic fail and flew the opposite way. Here we go. Like this. Flew the other way so you guys can see. One-handed behind the back. There you go. Alright. And this one is pretty cool. Alright, here we go.
Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all so true.
Your Honor, may I have you, please? You know who I am, right?
Alright, here we go. I'll mix it up like this. Now don't blink. Alright, and that's how you do that one. Mix it up a little bit more. Here we go. We'll go mix it up again.
This is ridiculous. He is exhausted. Just a moment. Do you know her name, sir?
Alright, and then you can even toss it up. Make it solved. So yeah, thank you for watching. These are all my Rubik's Cube videos. Tricks, sorry, all my Rubik's Cube tricks in one video. So, peace.
Suckers.